Hmm. Light lang, light lang. Okay, enough.
Ate Isha, dala ko na puputi papa na Wednesday. Ate Isha, oh. I'm pink. Mine is purple.
Bakit pati yung mata ko may lipstick? Ito naman, nilawayan muna bago nilagay sa mata ko. Oh, enough.
Saan pa dito? Close your eyes. Kilay sa kilay, kilay, kilay. Tan.
Ang dami naman yan.
Smell.
Ba't puro sa labi ko lahat?
Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Don't open.
Bakit?
And
What
this,
are you doing?
And this. This.
Ana! Lutuin mo na to!
And this. Hey! And blue, and blue.
Enough, enough. Ang dami na yan.
Sa lips.
Puro lips ko.
Close your eyes. Ate Asia, susus ko yung pe. Susus ko yan.
Enough na, enough na. Ang dami.
Susus ko yung pulpo sa kanya. Close your eyes. Ay! Ay!
Okay, tama na.
Close your eyes. Chaka, 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 chaka.
Titingnan ko rin sarili ko. Titingnan ko rin. Ah, tama na. Tama na, tama na. Tama na. Oh, wash your hands na. Wash your hands. Ba yan? Puro labi?